Hey, welcome back to Hipster Codes. This is Hipster GW, or welcome if this is your first time. So just wanted to go over the bi-weekly, twice a month limited free time FAB giveaway. So they're giving away 3 assets. They do it every 2 weeks. I'm going to check out the Necropolis and the Sci-Fi Mech. The purpose of this video is I want to save you the time from downloading these and looking through them in case you're interested in them, but you don't actually want to download them at the moment. I'm not going to look at the fantasy props. It looks pretty straightforward, but I wanted to see if there were any animations in this one. Wanted to see the quality of this environment one, because I might be including this in my Soulslike game that I'm working on right now. Okay, let's check out the mech first. So it looks like we have some blueprints here. Look, we already have... It just gives you a third-person character blueprint out of the gate. Oh, it looks so cool. So the capsule isn't encapsulating the entire thing. Maybe, oh my god, I think I fucked it up. Yeah, so maybe you got to figure out what to do with the capsule here, because the capsule component isn't encapsulating the entire thing. Maybe the purpose is the capsule's supposed to be your human, and then your human can jump up into this mech suit. I'm not entirely sure. So let's switch the default pawn class from the default third person to this third person. And look, just out of the gate, none of the movement buttons are working, but out of the gate, you at least have this possessible pawn. And yep, it definitely has animations. Where are the animations stored? You get like HDRIs out of the gate? Oh, this is just for demonstration. We can look at the map. Let's look at the test map. So you have different colors. Pretty awesome. What it says, animation in place. Yeah, see, it's not hooked up yet, so you can actually move around. We can simulate this. And so, yeah, pretty decent animations. Something I want to look into soon is using control rig, because I think setting up... Oh, look, it even gives you the rig here, so you could actually set up the control rig yourself, so you could set up your own animations. Because I think something like this would be easier than a human character. Oh, it's just literally... Okay, it's literally just Manny. So I think you got to set up your own, but that's okay. Now let's check out the Necropolis. And for this one, I'm going to use its showcase level. I'm assuming it has one. Yeah, demo level. Let's check out the demo level. Let it load in all the shaders. Some of the shaders are still loading in, or now it's doing construction scripts. Yeah, I mean, it just looks fantastic, right? Like this is great. This is a great package. Look at all the stuff you get for free. Didn't we get something very similar to this? We got something very similar to this a few weeks ago, but that's okay. This is perfect for a Souls like type of game that I'm making. I definitely need some headstones. This is a really high quality headstone. I have some free ones that I have before, but I'm probably going to update my graveyard scene that I've been working on with these instead, because these look higher quality. Or maybe I'll intersperse them a little bit. You have, like a coffin where it's chained around so the vampire doesn't get out or the zombie doesn't get out. And this is on... Oh, this is like medium. So if you turn this up to cinematic, my computer's going to chug. Oh, it looks great. It looks great in cinematic. In other words, I need to upgrade my potato PC to a new PC. Cool. And you got this thing. Does it have an interior? Has an interior. Look, this isn't even built from, modular stuff. This is just a entire building that you can just grab. I don't know. This is it's a level instance, so it is actually built from all of the modular stuff. But look, all this stuff is great. You have a ton of spooky, Necropolis, so it's like, a ton of graveyard, Land of the Dead stuff, but, pretty high quality. I'm going to use it in my Souls-like game, I guarantee. Go pick it up now on no longer the Unreal Marketplace on fab.com/limited time free. Go grab them. Even if you don't use them, grab them before January 27th at this time here, Eastern time, 9:59 a.m. Eastern time. Go pick them up. Put them into your Unreal Engine stash. You keep them forever. Here on the Fab Marketplace, you'll keep them in your library, and then you can use them at another time. So I'm going to keep doing Most of my Unreal Engine time lately has been working on my Soulslike game. I know I've been promising to show it off here for a while. I'll try and get a video for that next week, if not in the near future. But just FYI, that's where most of my time's going. And then eventually I want to start making videos about the problems I'm solving in my game. But I'm not at the point where I'm ready to show anything off yet. So maybe next week, but hopefully you found this informative, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.